Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about the top 5 security plugin for WordPress. Now security is the most important thing your site should have. So make sure you have these 5 security plugins in your website if you have created a WordPress website. So let's jump in the video straight away. Okay, now on number 5th is Web ARX security, and it is the best security. It has 4.9 rating and 1000 plus active installations. So you can see some features over here on my computer screen: manage web application firewall, custom firewall rules, plugin vulnerability, uptime and SSL monitoring, blacklist monitoring, email and Slack alerts, PDF security report, automatic offsite backup, WordPress hardening, 24/7 security monitoring, two-factor authorization, and much more. So this is the best plugin for security. It has 4.9 rating, and you can see some of its must have offsite backup features, alert and security reports, and all features. And in there you see the rating by Trustpilot 5 out of 5, and by Crowd 5 out of 5 as well. So it is a good WordPress plugin, but it is a paid version. So it has a 7-day free trial. If you want to try, make sure to check this out. Okay, moving on to number 4 is all-in-one WP security, and it's a free plugin, and it has 4.8 rating and up to 800,000 plus active installations. It has protection. It has some features like protection against brute force login attempt. Okay, force logout for user after the configure time, which is best. So it will automatically force your user to log out after the configure time. Monitor and view failed login attempt with user IP. Monitor and view the account activity of all user accounts. Add Google reCAPTCHA for login for your WordPress login form. So which is the best features in this? There are some best features in this plugin, and it is another good plugin for security of your WordPress website. So make sure to check this out as well, and it is a free version. So moving on to number 3 is iTheme security, another good WordPress plugin, and it has a rating of 4.5 up to 900,000 plus active installations, and it has some of features like security activity auditing, file integrity monitoring, remote malware scanning, blacklist monitoring, effective security hardening, post-hack security action, security notifications. So it is a very good security plugin, and it has certain security server, enforces strong password for all accounts, basic troublesome user agents, bots, and other assets as well. And it scan your sites instantly and report bugs and fix them immediately. So another good WordPress security plugin, and it is on number 3rd for my list. Moving on to number 2 is security plugin, a security plugin, and I think it is a paid version. I haven't tried this out, but I think it is a good version. It has 4.5 rating with 300,000 plus active installation, and some of its features are security activity auditing, file integrity monitoring, report malware scanning, blacklist monitoring, effective security hardening, and post-hack security actions and security notification as well. So one of the another best WordPress plugin for security. You can check this out: basic, professional, and business and custom pricing list over here. You can sign up for it and start. You can check this out as well, and I think it's good. You can see the plans over here: 199 per year, 299 per year, and 499 per year. Okay, now moving on to number 1. Number first is wordfence security, and it has 3 million plus active installation on WordPress websites. 4.8 rating, which is the best. It has a leak password protection, advanced manual blocking, country blocking, report files, two-factor authorization, scan 44,000 plus unknown malware attempt, and scan them. And it has a nifty live traffic view, like you can view your traffic live on your website when you have this security plugin, WordPress security, and it is a free plugin. So I think this is the best plugin for security for all of the above, like all of the 4th I have told you, and many of the more upcoming WordPress plugin, but WordPress is the one of the best WordPress plugin ever. So make sure to check out all these 5 plugins, and comment down below if you have any another WordPress plugin which you think is the best. And if you have any question and queries about me, about this video. So comment down below. I will answer you in the comment. Thank you very much for